Collectors who started collecting in the 1970s still have silver coins in their inventory, with a metal value approaching that of numismatic value. This is the case of the silver coins presented here, in bulk, to give an idea of the evolution of the market. The numismatic value is often higher than the metal value, and this is what more often makes the attraction of the collection in the face of the current search for metal. In the 70s, the following coins were often still mixed with their nickel double. Other older ones were hanging out in the depths of their grandparents' houses, abandoned after a possible demonetization. German currency 5 silver marks 1966. Austrian mint 10 shilling 1965 in silver. Belgian mint 20 francs in silver 1949. Belgian mint 50 francs in silver 1951. 1 silver crown George V United Kingdom 1935. 1 half crown coin from the United Kingdom George V 1919. Coin of 500 lire from Italy 1958. Netherlands coin of 1 gulden from 1965. Netherlands coins of 2 gulden and a half in silver 1960. Coin of 5 Swiss francs 1969. At the time when the metal is gaining value, it is interesting to look for these pieces to start a new collection. Thank you for visiting History Channel 26. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and comment for other videos. For beginner collectors, more information in the description below the video.